Okay, Alexandru, in the previous task you adjusted the dashboard so that it said achievements here. And now I'm going to tell you about the strategy behind this because you need to learn the strategy in order to do the best job in creating this page that the user will see when he clicks on achievements. Good. So the strategy behind it is that if we make some very nice, good looking award badges and show them to the artist, then he will put them on his homepage. And then that will create an incoming link from his homepage to somewhere on our system, the presentation page of his presentation page probably. So what I want you to do is create a page with this header. And then I have created a number of different kind of awards that an artist can achieve. This can be done by simply being a member. That's the first one. He's simply just a member of the system, so everyone will get that. The next one is if he optimized his page 100%, and so on. There's something about his reviews and bookings and some stuff. I will go through these in a while, but what I want you to do when you make these awards, some of them I have some suggestions for, but some of them I need you to make a suggestion. And what will be important, here you can see I went to Google image search and I wrote award badge. Award badge, try and do that and be inspired by what you see here. We want to create small badges that you would like to put on your page. You would be proud about it. You will think, oh, this is it looks good, so I want to put it on my page. That is what we want to achieve from the artist, and that is why it's very, very important you use some time on these on the details on these award badges, so that it looks like something that is very, very nice and something that he really achieved. Okay. Also about the badges, try and make them vary a little bit if you can. Like you pick one in one style and then you pick one, maybe same colors but another style. Then you try and see if one you can put an icon on it like a thumb up, or something else. So just I think you can be very inspired by going through this list and see the different ones. Look here, we have some great ones also. Um, yeah, just check it out. Check it out. And let me go back to my list now here if I can find it. Here it is. Good. So you start with, as we said, you start with this header, and then you make one title in the top called, let me see, 123 Festmusik member. That's the title. And then we will make a badge, award badge, where you show 5 stars, for example. Then you write the text, official member of 123 Festmusik. So this is one that everyone will get, and it simply states that he's an official member of 123 Festmusik. You can write this with normal text, or you can use the logo or the logo men, whatever you want. Just try to be creative here. So the next one, 100% optimized profile. So that's the title. That's the title of this section. So you need to also divide it a little bit. And of course also next to the badge you put on the page, you will put a code box like you see here, so that he can grab that code to insert that badge. So the title was 100% optimized profile. Then I think I made an example here. Let me find that. I'm thinking something like this. I will make sure to upload the PSD file. And the only reason I'm thinking something like this is because we actually have this from a very old design that I dug up. So this will be fine for me. If you want to do just this, then that's fine. You can simply put in the round circle. Because I think that's very simple and it looks good. It's going to work very nicely. So yeah, simply use that. Good. For the next, the title should be your reviews. And then I think if you make a badge with one big star, and then you write the text 4.9 stars out of 5 based on 15 reviews, and then write again 123 Festmusik, or use the logo or something like that, whatever you think makes sense. Then I would like you to, the next title will be Review Milestones, and there we make a badge that has the text 123 Festmusik, 5 customer reviews, and I'm thinking a little bit in the style of this link. Let me find that so we can see it. Yeah, this last one here. So if you imagine 5 reviews, what did I say here? 5, it will say with big number. Customer review, it could say that down here, like it does here. And then it could have 5 stars simply, and also some details, so it looks a little bit better. This is very simple. This looks a little bit better. Then the next title, sorry, I forgot to say. Under that, I want you to also add one that is maybe just a little bit bigger, and it says 10, and then one that is a little bit bigger says 25 and 50 and 100. So in all, we should have 5 under each other in that section, in the review milestone section, saying 5, 10, 50, 25, 50, and 100. So when the artist gets 100 reviews, he will actually have all of them accessible and can put in all of them on his own page. So the next one, booking milestones, exactly the same as review milestones, and it's the same that we do. Maybe use the same badge, but just make it a different color. That could be an idea, because we also will put in 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, and we will write the text booked more than 5, 10, 25, 50, 100 times. Book more than, and then also put in 123 Festmusik. And that's it, the last section. You make one final section, and that is the top 10 certification. And the top 10 certification, we will just put in the same badges as you see here, 5 badges with 5 code sections. So this will be a very, very long page. Please try and do a version of that.